Hello, Rob G here. Got the center section of the wing here now. Got it on the ground. I'm going to be making a stand to stand it vertically to work on it. Got the donor fuselage over here. Made a stand to get it up higher to a working height to get the lower jaw of the nose out of it. Started drilling rivets out. Start getting these skins off of here. You have to take the skins off to get the fasteners out of here to drop this whole lower section out. And then I'll make new skins to put back on it. These got a little wear and tear on them. But this is the lower jaw assembly, the nose gearbox that is going to go in this airplane to put this one back in the air. So I got all the rivets, the heads drilled off, except on the bottom. I got to get the gear door off of there and get the fasteners out of the bottom. And then this skin's ready to pop off of here. This fuselage was in Thailand back around 74, I believe it was. Nothing like 2 eyes full of dirt all the time, even with safety glasses on. 3 for 3 here. This all 3 of these fuselages, whenever I drilled the right skin off here, it was split underneath this steel doubler that they added as a to strengthen the nose gearbox. So anyhow, that's one reason you gotta reskin these things, stuff like this. Pretty long split in it. A little corrosion here. Some dents and corrosion. This is from storage when they're moving it around and laying it on something there to support it. So anyhow, that's one side off. Inside looks pretty good. I'll blast that with plastic beads, glass beads if there's any corrosion or rust, and then prime it, and it should be a serviceable nose, lower nose. I call it the lower jaw. Put new wiring in the plane that we're gonna install this in. All these rusty bearing, stuff like that, will be replaced. So it'll be first class shape once it's back together. This gear door, I've got some new ones. This one's in pretty good shape actually. Got a patch on the corner there. So anyhow, thanks for tuning in. See you later.